This 7 and this 7 are cancelled out by each other, and we get the remaining values are 100 divides 50. So 100 divides 50, we write it as 100 over 50. So this 0 and this 0 are cancelled out by each other, and 5 ones are 5 and 5 twos are 10. So we get here 2. But this 2 be the wrong answer, or this whole process is the wrong process to solve this type of question, because in this type of questions we can just use here the nice PEMDAS rule. Okay, I hope so you already know about the PEMDAS rule, but here I can little bit explain it. P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponent, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. So here we just remember this order of operation from left side to the right side. Okay, so here if you here we copy down given question statement. Here it is 100 divides 50 over 7 times 7. This is the given question statement, and here you see that we have there are two operations used here. The first operation is division and the second operation is multiplication operation. Okay, so here you see that we give the first priority to multiplication or division any value, but in this type of cases we just use here the nice KCF rule. Okay, so in the according to the KCF rule we just write it as, so I hope so you already know about the KCF rule. So here K stands for keep the first term as it is, C stands for change the operation. Okay, it means that in the very next term is operation, so we just change this operation division to multiplication, and at the last we flip the very next term. So very next term is 50, so we flip it. Flip means we can just reciprocal this term. Okay, so when we apply here the KCF rule on this term, it will be written as, we keep the 100 as it is, we change this operation division to multiplication, we flip this value 7 over 50 times of 7. And now we are go through the solution of this problem. Okay, this 0 and this 0 are gone, and 5 ones are 5 and 5 twos are 10. So we have 2 times of 7 times of 7. So we get 7 sevens are 49, and we get here 2 times of 49, and 2 times of 49 is equals to 98. So this is the our final answer of this question. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.